In a catastrophic turn of events, a fierce wildfire erupted in Pacific Palisades on Tuesday morning, swiftly escalating into a perilous crisis as intense wind gusts drove the flames across the region. Originating around 10:30 a.m. near Piedra Morada Drive, the blaze rapidly consumed over 2,900 acres by evening, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Homes have been ravaged, and the idyllic neighborhoods of Pacific Palisades, Topanga, and Malibu are now scenes of chaos and despair. As the inferno gained momentum, an urgent evacuation order was issued, prompting thousands to flee their homes. The exodus was hampered by congested roads and thick smoke, forcing many residents to abandon their vehicles and escape on foot. The situation grew increasingly dire as the fire, fueled by relentless winds, advanced towards the iconic Getty Villa and Palisades Charter High School. Firefighters are battling the blaze under exceptionally challenging conditions. The extreme wind event, described by officials as life-threatening and destructive, is expected to intensify, with gusts potentially exceeding 100 miles per hour in the mountainous regions. This volatile weather is not only fanning the flames, but also hindering aerial firefighting efforts, making the task of containment even more daunting. The Getty Villa, a cultural landmark housing invaluable art collections, found itself in the path of the advancing fire. Despite the alarming proximity of the flames, the museum has managed to safeguard its treasures, thanks to proactive fire mitigation measures. Meanwhile, the campus of Palisades Charter High School has suffered significant damage, with reports of burning athletic fields and potential harm to classroom structures. Residents and officials alike are bracing for a long and arduous night, with firefighters working tirelessly to protect lives and properties. The unfolding disaster has already forced over 30,000 people to evacuate, highlighting the devastating impact of wildfires exacerbated by severe weather conditions. As this story develops, our thoughts are with all those affected by the Pacific Palisades fire. Stay tuned for more updates, and please heed all safety advisories to protect yourself and your loved ones during this critical time.